Welcome or welcome back to Thrive with Bash. How have you guys? How have you been? Today is the day God has blessed. Today is that day we are going to be creating our ebook. At this point, I will implore you, if you have not watched the episode 1 on how to create an ebook that will actually sell, please pause this video. Go back. I will be linking it on the card right now. Click on that card, go back and watch video. So before you watch this one, because today we're going to be creating that ebook that will actually sell. After we've created everything that we want, we've poured our heart out in the last video. So the next thing that we need to do now is to go ahead onto Canva, create the visual look of that ebook. So if you don't know how to use Canva, I would implore you to probably watch some videos on how to use Canva, but you should be able to follow along on how I'm going to do it. It's not something that is hard. You should be able to get how to undo Canva and all that. Majority of us use Canva to create our thumbnail and stuff, so it's still similar. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, we make self-improvement, growth, and any tips that will elevate women, that make women thrive. And we have a sprinkle of lifestyle. Also, we like a little bit of gossip on this channel. So if you are like that, so please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And let's go. I will see you guys on the other side. On the browser, this is what my interface look like. Yours might be slightly different if you are using mobile phone. Click on search button at the top. Type ebook template. There are more than 20,000 ebook, both premium and free version of ebook. If you see anyone that has this yellowish king icon, it means that one is premium and you have to pay before you can access that one. Feel free to look around and see which one you like the most. So at this point, I was just looking, through and see the one that would go for, at least for something that I wanted. And then I saw this one and I see that, oh, okay, I think this one can go for what we wanted to create. So at this point, I just clicked on it, about 5 pages, which is more appropriate for what we are about to create. Then you click on customize template. So it's going to bring you to this interface. Now this is where the magic is going to happen. This is where we need to edit and do all the good stuff to this template and make it our own. So I'm just going to click on that color icon and change the color. As you can see, I've changed the color from that brown to green, and I think green is just going to go for whatever we are creating today. So I'm just clicking on all the design, then I'm changing the color from the original color to brown, and as you can see, that color is making sense. And I'll go ahead and do the same for all other slides in this ebook as well. Now, the next thing we need to do is to now change the images on there. So if you don't have image uploaded on your Canva already, you can click on upload so that you can upload from your computer, from your file. But if you have picture, because but I have picture here already, so I'm going to be using that one. On that image, then delete the image, then drag the image that you want to use and drag it to the grid, and do the same for the rest of the ebook. The next thing to do now is to add text to this beautiful ebook. So as you can see, I've clicked on that text. On your left side, you will see where it says text. So click on that text and play around with the font. And at the top, you will see the font. So click on the font and just play around with the font. You can change the font from the original owner of this template used. So you can see at this point here, I was just looking through. Make sure to look through, check different type of fonts and see which one would you like the most to, and click and use the one that you like the most. And I will just do the same for the rest of the ebook. You can also change the color of the font if you want. At the top of the template where it says A, or there's rainbow color underneath, that is where you can change the color of the font if you want to change it. So you remember the Word document that we prepared the last time, so I'm just going to go ahead now and copy everything I have onto the ebook. Basically, that was all I did, and you can click on share and you will download this right onto your device. So welcome back. I'm sure by now you have confidence in creating your own ebook. On part 3 of this video, I will be explaining to you various platforms where you can use to sell your ebook. You can use StanStore, you can use Seller, you can use Etsy, you can basically use a lot of platforms. But if you need more context about that, please do let me know in the comment section so that I can go ahead and give you more information on how to actually upload it on StanStore. I would explain more for you on how to be able to access those places to be able to sell your ebook. So if you have gained 1 or 2 on this video, please do well to subscribe to the channel if you have not, and I'm gonna be seeing you guys on my next one. I love you. Mwah.